We love this. We worked on this before.
This is
and it was
so much fun.
It's such a deal. It's super. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Look at you.
Yeah, I know. It's the Temp-tations Special Edition seasonal set of 2 soup and sandwich sets. That's a lot of S's, but not a lot of green because that sale price is $24.98. 3 easy pays of $8.33. Your item number is K83960. Let's go over some options, shall we? Do you want to do it? So that's
sure.
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread. You know what? It's really easy
It's right over there?
here.
You want to go over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on. Let's
Why
go.
don't we let you do it?
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right. So here's our gingerbread and our penguin.
Hi.
The plate is going to match each one. So, for instance, do you mind holding this one up? So
absolutely.
here's the gingerbread that goes with the mug, and then TJ, there's the penguin. All right. Okay. So that's your choice. Or you get the snowman and the reindeer. So you get it. The plate's going to match, right? And then at the very end, here, I'll pull it forward so you guys can really see that beautiful. I'll hold the plate, you hold the mug. How's that?
Okay.
Look at that gorgeous poinsettia with cardinal, and then look at the coordinating mug that goes with it. You get ×2, you guys. This is, wait, I just saw the price. Yeah. That's amazing. This is for 4 pieces. This is a tray and 2 16-ounce mugs for under $25.
Yes.
Like, we just don't do this.
It's $6 basically for each piece.
We don't do, this is an amazing value. Yeah.
It absolutely is.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then so many great ideas. So let's talk about soup and sandwich.
Okay.
You know, we've had so much fun with soup and sandwich, and when Tara designed it, all of a sudden we have so many different variations because you love it so much.
Yeah.
It's sort of that replacement for your dinnerware, so you don't have to have the same old dinnerware every night. It's going to be that coupe design on the tray. You can either use the mug with it, 16 ounces, or use it separately.
Yeah.
It can be for breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you need it to be. And when you want to tuck it away, this is really important with seasonal products. The fact that, look, that's the footprint that you need to store.
That's so easy.
So easy. But look what we did over here.
Let's do it. I'm going to get out of your way because
Okay.
I'm going to start reaching over your shoulder and eating this
You're
stuff.
just going to start eating.
Okay.
So over here, we just did a great pulled pork sandwich with some coleslaw. So great for serving right here. What did we do in the mug? Instead of a drink, we put some baked beans.
Yeah.
So I love that right there. So much fun. There we go. See them peeking in right there? Look how cute that is. Then over here, we did a sandwich, like a calzone, a salad, and then we did some soup in our mug. Come down here, and we used them completely separately. So we did some pita right here, and then we did an artichoke dip. And then coming over here, we did a great crudité with some ranch.
Yes.
So it's not just for soup and sandwich, where you can do it for breakfast, where you can do, I love this, we have our tea. I love this tea right here. And then we have our breakfast. We have our omelets and our bacon and our potatoes. But then up here, we did pancakes, specialty coffee, and bacon.
Can I tell you why I love these?
Tell me.
It's because I would want the same one every time. Like, no, Lisa, I'm the gingerbread. You can't use that one.
You
So I
start
feel
to
like I love
own
that.
them.
Yes.
I know.
That's exactly it. That's why I love these.
Oh, look at this. Okay.
And you have this in the oven.
Yes.
And it is totally fine. Ooh,
Yep, up to, let's see, where am I putting
Should I
this
move
one?
this? Should I move these and put it there?
I think I can put, it's okay if I put it right down on here? You sure? Okay, I don't want to dirty everything, but okay. Look at that.
Wow.
Ooey, gooey, cheesy.
Yes.
French onion soup right out of the oven, because at the heart of it, this is our stoneware. So, TJ, come on. This is the performance you're going to get.
And you can smell, you smell? Like that's...
Look at that. See how it's naturally nonstick, so I can literally just pull that cheese right up off his face?
I see that.
But this is about the experience of having these cute characters, like you said, mine, mine, mine. All of a sudden, somebody owns the gingerbread, the penguin.
Yes.
And everybody's happy and smiling.
Absolutely. Listen, including a penguin that is happy in hot weather.
100%.
Which is what we do. Yes. It's absolutely so amazing. Again, $24.98 for those 4 pieces. You can't get away. It's like $6 a piece. Lisa, is that our time?
No.
It's
we
not.
get the next hour. They said we get the next hour, too.
Oh, we get the next hour. That's great. We don't. We wish we could make it happen. We had so much fun today. Listen, everything was almost under $20. Don't forget, you can go to QVC.com, put those things in your cart. Check out soon. Shipping and handling is free. I'm TJ, and this is my friend Lisa.
Oh, it was so nice to see you, my
great
friend.
seeing you.
All right, you have a great weekend.
I will. Are we doing this again? We should.
We will soon. I know we will.
Let's do that. Stay tuned. Tech the Halls is next. I might take off this apron and eat the rest of this food. Dun, 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 dun.